Okay, so welcome to Fast Pages 365 Funnel Builder. Over here in the left-hand column, you can see I've got a funnel icon. When I mouse over it, it says funnels. And you can see I've got a funnel set up here that is getting 2.48% conversion. So I set this funnel up a few weeks ago and it's converting new visitors at 2.48%. So what I'd like to do is go ahead and A/B test this landing page, right? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click A/B test. Now I can either duplicate this page or I can start with a new page. So what I'm going to do is completely revamp this landing page and send 50% of the traffic to the new page to see which one converts better. So I'm going to go ahead and click new page, and I'm going to come over here to the categories, and you can see there's a landing page category right here. So I'll click that. Now what I want to do is preview a couple of different landing pages and kind of get an idea of what they look like. That's not a bad one. I can see what it looks like on mobile. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to that first one there. I think this is the one I'm going to use. So I can have my first video here and then offer up my widget that has the reviews in it here. And then I can talk about the second offer, maybe the benefits, have the HELOC here, and then a checkout. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and select this. So now when I clicked this page here, edit, you can see my template is right there. So now all I've got to do is go ahead and start modifying this so that it works for my MLO funnels. So I'm going to go ahead and do some building and I'll show you guys what I've come up with at the end. Okay, so in just a few minutes, I was able to do some duplicating and import the videos and such. So what I did was I created my second page to look like this. Different colors, different sized videos. So I show off the homebuyer funnel video, the HELOC funnel, and I've got the order now button so that it's anchored down to the checkout down here. So let me just show you what that looks like in the website preview. Right? So people can log in still, they come to the landing page, they view the videos, and when they click order now, it's anchored to the checkout, right? So that's kind of cool. So they can check out the home buyer video here, the HELOC funnel here, and then they get to see my Google reviews that update live thanks to my to my elf site widget right here. So I've got that, and then I've got a couple of features right here, some frequently asked questions, the checkout, and if somebody needs to make an appointment with me, they can. And then right down here is my email. So I think this is a great landing page. I'm going to go ahead and everything's all saved. Now I'm going to go back to my funnels, and you can see I've got the first one here, right? Oh, one thing I did not copy over is the try it yourself. So I'll show you how that works. Watch this. I'm going to come over here and I'm on the block. So now I hit copy, and then I come over here to this block and I hit copy. Now watch this. I'm going to go to the second variation, and now I can put that block right down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the first block and set it right there. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and save that and preview it. All right, so MLO funnels, HELOC, try it right now, set up demos, right? That looks pretty good. Customers, both funnels. I'm going to change these buttons so they've got the same fill. So let's see, I want that to be right up here. Click the styling, and I'm going to change the hover color to the blue and do the same thing here. So I can hit Preview. So now that's blue, that's blue, that's blue. Perfect. All right, so that's it. I am done with my A/B testing. So now I've got that all set up so I can see which one performs better as I'm driving traffic to it. Let me know if you have questions. Funnels prospect 24/7, 365 days a year.